Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on a VIVO V60E. Let's begin! So, I have my Bluetooth device, which are these really random earbuds, and let's try connecting them with my phone. Now, at the first glance, nothing is happening, and this is because our Bluetooth just isn't enabled. We can go into our control center, press and hold, and then go into more Bluetooth settings. And you can see that I am currently actually connected. However, if I would close my earbuds and then try to open them and it wouldn't connect automatically, then, well, that wouldn't work. This is because it's very important to note that nowadays there are like millions different Bluetooth devices on our market, and some of them can be enabled in very different ways. For example, I just opened my earbuds, yet the LED isn't lighting up and I am not connecting, at least I wasn't for now. So as you can see, there is no indicator that I'm actually connected with my phone, but actually I am. So I think that the first part of fixing any kinds of Bluetooth related bugs is to just be patient, because sometimes Bluetooth is randomly bugging out, at least for me. So yeah, that's kind of sucks. But anyway, after you've made sure that you have your Bluetooth on and it's still not working, you can just turn it off once again, and you want to leave it off for about 10 seconds, maybe 15, maybe 30. It's just so the Bluetooth chip that's built inside your phone can be restarted without any issues, and after the certain time has passed, you can enable it once again, and as you can see, my Bluetooth device is already working. However, there is still a very high chance that it might not be working for you. Well, in that case, you can, for example, now I am randomly disconnected from my Bluetooth, and I have to manually click on my earbuds, and now I have to wait in order for them to connect, and it still doesn't working. So I think like this is especially true in earbuds. At least I'm not a big fan of earbuds, let's begin with that. But as you can see, the connecting is pretty random, and you know how to fix that. You want to close your earbuds, you want to open them so the LED is up and running, and I believe that now if we hit connect, we should be connected with our earbuds. So this is very random. You need to expect that something won't go as smoothly as you want to. But anyway, if we have such problems, we can always go into cogwheel and then go into forget. And this way, we are unpairing our headphones or earbuds or whatever Bluetooth device we have troubles with from our device, meaning that basically our phone will behave like it never connected to them in the first place. Now, we want to once again put them into pairing mode, and you can search for more devices like this. And as you can see, I have my earbuds, and now I am connected because I have repaired with them once again, and it's completely fine. And as a last resort option, I would advise you to just reboot your whole device if your Bluetooth still isn't working. You can do that by just pressing and holding the power button and the volume up button, and then going into restart. Now, if you did all of that and your Bluetooth still isn't working, then, well, first of all, something is definitely wrong, but second of all, there is one easy way to fix that. Oh, actually there isn't, but there is a way, an easy way to test what exactly is wrong, and it is to just play a little diagnostic game. You can ask your friends or like a family member or coworker to borrow their phone for a moment, and you want to try to connect your Bluetooth device with their phone. If it will fail to connect, then this means that your phone is completely fine, and it's the Bluetooth device that is wrong, that is broken, whatever. However, if your Bluetooth device will successfully connect to their device, then this means that the Bluetooth chip built inside your phone is faulty, and you probably want to do something about it. If you have your warranty, you can go into like VIVO store or just generally store that you bought it from, and you can ask them to check up your Bluetooth, or even better, to just refund it and give you a new phone. Because sometimes those chips just can be broken, and unfortunately Bluetooth won't work. However, I know that I'm actually ending this video on kind of depressive note, but don't you worry, just enabling, disabling Bluetooth or enabling and disabling the whole phone should resolve 99% of issues. So yeah. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.